Hey everyone, you might notice that I'm not in my studio at the moment. Today we're going over a better way to perform the car test and other uses with Waves Stream. Waves Stream is a new plugin from Waves where it allows you to stream either a mono or stereo signal from your DAW to anybody in the world just by using a URL link and your browser. You can be on the go and open up your phone and just use its built-in browser to then stream the audio from your DAW. It doesn't have to be you self-checking doing a car test. It could be you sending that stream for a mix review halfway across the world if you really needed to. And because it just uses a website, you can use it on any kind of device. It could be a phone, and it doesn't matter if it's iOS versus Android. It could be a tablet, it could be a laptop, it could be a tower PC. There's so many different uses you can do with an online stream that is browser-based. So let's take a look at how we set this up, and let's head into the studio and dive into the DAW. Now that we're back in our home studio, I can show you how easy it is to set up Wave Stream in your DAW. Let's dive in. So here it is. This is Wave Stream on its default settings. Whenever you throw this onto any track bus or mix bus, this is what it's going to look like. And this is the send version because that's exactly what we're doing. I'm in my DAW and I need somebody else somewhere to receive this mix for notes. I need them to be able to provide feedback. They just need to be able to hear this and give me information. So on my mix bus, that's exactly where I have it. After everything else, this is Wave Stream. I just put it in. Now I can go up here. I can name this whatever I want it to be. Let's go with TTA because Tim does talk audio. And then you'll see that pretty much this plugin is just this big on button. But the on button does a few different things. When we hit it, it'll turn on the stream and create a unique URL that we can share with our recipient. So watch this. I'm going to turn it on. And you'll see it light up blue and the emblem will change. And now we have the Waves logo. It does say leave, and in the bottom left, we have a QR code, and we also have the little indication or the icon that is the copy key. So this, if you click on it, will now tell you that the URL is copied to your clipboard. You are actively streaming audio at this point. The stream is live, and you can get this link with that little copy button sent off to whomever you need. Maybe it's through a text message because you're working on Mac OS. That's great. You can just open up your messages and send from there. Maybe you're working on a PC, but you have some kind of instant messenger service. Cool. Drop your link into there and send it off to whoever you need to. On the right-hand side, you've got your output meters. I'm not playing anything right now, so these are not lighting up. I also have a slider so I can make some adjustments. Maybe it's too soft or too hot on the way out. I can adjust it on my end. And then underneath the meters, this is just an indicator letting you know that your recipient is connected. When they are, this will turn blue and you know that they're connected. On the left-hand side is some talkback functions. We're not really doing any talkback right now, so we're not going to get into that. But I'm actively streaming. All I need to do is play. Watch the meters. Instantly, the meters light up. I know I'm sending audio. I know I'm receiving audio from the receive end in whatever browser I'm going to be using because there's no dedicated app that the recipient needs. They just need active internet. Let's talk about why we do the car test. The car test brings our mixes or our productions to a different environment because we all forget that the room we're in and the room our speakers are in, and those speakers can also just be headphones, they have a sound. The room has a sound. When you go to do the car test, you're changing your environment, you're changing your speakers, you're changing the room you're in. You're taking the room you're in on the go with you. And it allows you to hear different parts of your production that you probably didn't hear in your home studio or in your headphones. If you only have one set of speakers or one pair of headphones, you only know one frequency response. You only know what that pair of speakers is able to do. You're not able to have a contrasting comparison with a different set of speakers in a different room. That's why we do the car test. Well, let's think about how we used to do it before. You would be in your studio, working on your mix, and when you think it's done, cool, you bounce it, you print it, you do whatever you need to finalize that mix. Then, you used to burn it onto a CD, or you used to transfer it to your phone by, just a data cable. Then became cloud services. We're able to transfer to something like Dropbox or Google Drive, and then listen to it over there. But you still have to download it. That's still a bunch of steps. Now, if you're on the go, like I am right now, I can leave my song streaming on repeat, muted from my DAW, and stream it straight to my phone. Think of how this is good for mix reviews, getting that instantaneous feedback. Hey, can you work on verse 2? The guitar in bridge 1A is a little weird and could use some fuzz. Can we work on that? Instantaneous feedback. Or think of it like a student-teacher interaction, being able to send audio, the teacher with their professional mix is being sent to a student on their entry-level gear or within their first year of typical type school. They can listen on the equipment that they have, what the teacher is able to do with the extensive knowledge and equipment that they have. So there it is. That's Wave Stream, how you can send high quality audio to someone else out there in the world for instantaneous feedback or just for a high quality stream instead of sending MP3s. If you want to check out WaveStream, it's available right now. Use the link down in the description, and that's going to be it for this one. So check out WaveStream, use the link down below. Let me know if you're interested in something like this or if you've been looking for a tool like this, because maybe we can go even further. Until then, happy mixing, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm curious if you guys are interested in this sort of style video where it's me on the go, kind of in and out, some stuff in the studio, some stuff just kind of, talking through things. Let me know if this is something you're interested in. And if you are, maybe I'll make some more.